Yo, adventurers, buckle up because Top 3 Face is unleashing a gear avalanche. Today's target? The ultimate trio of action cameras to conquer your wildest escapades in 2024. From gravity-defying mountain bike runs to deep dives in coral castles, we've got the pocket powerhouses to capture it all, down to every heart-pounding detail. So, subscribe to the channel, gearheads, and prepare to dive into a tech tornado of epic proportions. We'll reveal the names and links to these bad boys in the description below so you can grab your perfect match and start writing your own adventure story. Let's go. First, the GoPro HERO11 Black. GoPro HERO11 Black is a cheetah with an eagle's eye. This pocket rocket unleashes 5.3K fury at 60 FPS, so every pixel of your descent down that double black diamond is pure adrenaline magic. Hypersmooth 5.0 scoffs at your bumps, delivering footage smoother than freshly paved paradise. And night owls rejoice. This champ paints the cosmos with star trails and low-light wonders like a master artist. Oh, and did we mention the 8.7 aspect ratio? Instagram gold, served on a silver platter. Next, the DJI Osmo Action. DJI Osmo Action is a twin-screen trailblazer that puts clumsy phone juggling to shame. Imagine framing shots and monitoring footage like a Hollywood director. Whether you're carving waves or conquering cobblestone streets, vloggers, shout your name. You're the star here, no selfie stick blues. But this beast is more than vanity. RockSteady stabilization stands firm, turning shaky bumps into cinematic epics. And its legendary toughness, waterproof to 30 it's your fearless ally for whitewater faceplants and impromptu deep dives. Finally, the Insta360 ONE X3. Insta360 ONE X3 is a reality hacker waiting to bend the storytelling universe. Forget capturing moments. This camera captures entire worlds. We're talking 5.7K degree magic so immersive, you'll practically feel the wind ripping through your hair on that virtual mountain bike ride. Flow state stabilization, your new bestie, keeps your world as smooth as a yoga mat, even when you're shredding the gnarliest single track. But the magic doesn't stop there. The invisible selfie stick makes you the undisputed star, while AI point tracking keeps your focus locked on that epic waterfall, no matter how you twist and turn. So there you have it, folks. 3 action cameras ready to elevate your adventures to cinematic heights. Links to these bad boys are down in the description, so go check them out and find your perfect match. And hey, while you're there, hit that subscribe button and join the Top 3 Face fam. We've got more gear talk, adventure inspo, and tech reviews coming your way every week. Let's conquer the world together, one frame at a time.